welcome to the Wiser Railroad. For the safety of our younger riders, the adults with them should place themselves on the outside of the row. If that is not practical, please make sure that they are held or easily within your reach. Thank you. I hate to say that was so lame. That was great. Also, for your safety, please remain seated while the train is moving. Keep your arms, legs, and your head inside the car. And please remember there is no eating, smoking, or drinking anything but bottled water while on the train. The White House over here on the left is the Susquehanna Plantation House. The plantation was 700 acres in coastal Maryland, where they grew tobacco, corn, and wheat. The red house coming up here on the left is the Plimpton family home. It's the oldest American-made structure in Greenfield Village. It was the home to Mr. and Mrs. Plimpton and their 7 children. The Ferris windmill coming up here on the left was built in 1650 and is the oldest windmill in the United States. It was built on Cape Cod in Massachusetts. The Daggett farmhouse and garden, where you can see demonstrations of 19th century cooking.
How we get out of that seat?
Yep.
And I can't.
The Wiser Railroad has 3 coal-fired steam locomotives. Locomotive number 1, which is pulling this train, the Edison, was assembled here in Dearborn, Michigan at the Rouge Locomotive Works in 1942. Torch Lake, which you can see outside the farmhouse, was built in 1873, and it's the oldest continuously operating locomotive in the United States. It's a steam locomotive. Baldwin locomotive number 7 inside the farmhouse. The Baldwin was built in 1897, and after a stint as a freight train hauling coal, Henry Ford refitted it for his own personal use. experiences based on authentic objects, stories, and lives of America's traditions of ingenuity, resourcefulness, and innovation. Our purpose is to inspire people to learn from these traditions to help shape a better future. So here on your left is the Henry Ford Academy. Henry Ford Academy is a 4-year charter high school, college prep, available to residents of Wayne County. The 9th grade is located in the museum, but 10th, 11th, and 12th grades are located out here on this campus, where we educate the innovators of the future. It's a sit-down dining experience, allows you to sample 19th century cuisine, served to you by waitstaff dressed in period appropriate clothing. Also, from this station, you can go to the carousel, to the playground, to the Smith Creek Station, also to the Detroit, Toledo, and Milwaukee Roundhouse, and a little bit further up the street from the Roundhouse is the Liberty Craft area. Also down the street towards the carousel is the State Street Lunch Stand, which if you're hungry for a hot dog or a hamburger, some french fries, and maybe a slushie, you can stop there for lunch. They have picnic tables outside or inside. Remember, as we're pulling into the Smith Creek Station, to remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. And I tell you that it is safe to exit because we have set the emergency brake. There's a few negative acknowledgements. He has learned the rules so well, he's going to start work here tomorrow. Okay, it is safe to exit on the left-hand side of the train. Please check your seats though before you get off the train to make sure you have all of your belongings.